So we have our second mother, Mommy Sandra,
Hi.
and I'm just going to ask you a few questions about motherhood.
Okay.
Please tell us a bit about yourself.
Okay, my name is Sandra Tamaklo. I'm an educationist, and I happen to be here to, celebrate my mother this afternoon.
How many children do you have?
We have one.
Okay, that's good. A girl or boy?
A girl, beautiful
wow.
as that.
Hey. Okay, so tell us about the first time you realized you became a mother. What was the feeling like?
Well, it was, I don't know, it was indescribable, because I've been married for a couple of years, and we've been expecting the blessing of the Lord, and it took quite a time for it to come. It took about 8 years.
Wow.
And I first found out I was pregnant when I was still gymming. I was 1 month gone. I didn't know. I was still gymming, and then it so happened that I was feeling some pains in my knees, and long story cut short, I found out I was expecting.
So this is a miracle baby.
Yes, it is.
So were you ready?
Oh yes.
You're ready?
Yes.
You were prepared for the pregnancy?
Very much ready.
Were you talking to your mother?
It was something we didn't actually want to talk about, because the more you talk about it, the more you worry about it, and it won't come at all. So we don't talk about it.
Okay. Did you know your journey was going to be this way? The way it's
Nobody knows tomorrow. I never expected it to be this long, but as God will have it, it has come to fruition this time around for His glory to be seen.
So how old is your baby now?
Oh, we are 4 months today.
Oh, okay. How's the journey been?
It's been amazing and overwhelming at the same time. Motherhood, my goodness, is the best career ever.
So it's fulfilling for you.
Very fulfilling.
Do you do that as a full-time job? Or?
No, I'm returning to work actually next week.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you do this again if you have a chance to?
Over again, as God will give. As God will give, not by my might, but as God will give.
Okay. Do you have any words for these upcoming mothers or
yes,
our audience?
Sure. On this Mother's Day, I especially want to talk to mothers or wives who are expecting the blessing of the fruit of the womb. I know how our society has been giving so much stress for women who are looking towards or looking to God for the blessing of the fruit of the womb. Look out, look to me. I am a testimony of what God can do. I want you to overlook the stresses, overlook the talk in town, and look to God in prayer, and He will never He will never let you go unattended to. There is no one who has come to God and He has forsaken that person. So keep believing God, keep trusting Him, and He will come through for you. And God bless all our mothers out there for the wonderful work you keep doing for us, for the love, the care, the tenderness you show us. We say God richly bless you. We love you so much.
So if you are a mother and you're watching, Mommy Sandra's only advice to you if you are waiting for a child is to trust in God.
Yes.
Thank you so much for your time.